Hey, what's up everyone? After that amazing win in last fixture, it's time to go to the feet of Norwich. Again, it's an away game, never easy. Maybe City can drop some points also today. Nah, unfortunately not. But Man United lost. That's something that makes me happy. Although it's only in the game. I love when they lose. Easy win predicted for Arsenal. I don't think it will be easy. I think it will be a very problematic game. My match preparation for that is defending set pieces. If I remember correctly, I put that. This is going to be tough. I have a feeling it won't that well for me. I don't know why I fear Norwich, but hell, they lost to Norwich in real life, so what can you say? Cazorla isn't playing very well this season. Maybe if I don't give him the responsibility to be a playmaker, maybe it will change. Not gonna change, going to traditional style. Expecting a win. Although it's never a good idea to expect to win from an away game, but hey. Nice action. Excellent. What the fuck did Podolski just do? He could have shot. Oh my god. What kind of lousy decision was that? Well, this could be a counter. Yes, it is. Walcott. No. Oh my god, this will be a red card. It was the last. Yeah. For fuck's sake. Now I'm pissed. Who to pull away? I will put Cazorla in there. I think he's better player than Arteta. This crazy ass motherfucker will try to win some balls, although I don't think he will be very successful at that. So I will change my tactic to direct style of passing. I will not press anymore. I will be more aggressive in my tackles, and let's see, maybe I can get away with something from this game. Some players are getting injured on the pitch, not good, not good. Oh god damn it, here's the counter attack. Oh, for fuck's sake. Lucky for me, it didn't go into the back of the net. Go Cavani! Ah, god damn. If Walcott and Cavani were more composed, this could have been 2-0 for me already. Now I need to come out with a good team talk. Well, at least I motivated someone. No, it's their chance. Or maybe it's a counter-attack from me, I wouldn't mind. Yeah, no, not a chance. Not a chance. Seems like my boys can't deal with this sending off. Whoa, what? Nice! Amazing counter-attack. Theo Walcott. Fucking A. Okay, the next I will put in Ramsey, because Wilshire's got already a yellow card. I don't want 2 sending offs. Since I have a good score now. I will leave them for now, like this. Don't think he took a shot from that impossible angle. Cross would be far more dangerous. Oh yeah, it's a win. Unbelievable. Win with 10 men. Yeah, right. Steve Bolt gave me useless advice. It is a good thing. It is definite. It was a good. It was an even game, but considering I had 10 players, it ended up extraordinarily well for me. That's it, guys. Another win. This time with 10 men. Challenges, whatever challenges they keep putting in front of me, somehow I'm managing to overcome them. I hope that will stay in future also. See you in the next part.